Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello at Your World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install and settings Netflix in Windows 11 from the Microsoft Store. For this case you have to go to the start button and we have to click the Microsoft Store as because we want to install the Netflix. So here there have top 3 apps, so we have to search where the Netflix. So how? Right here, Netflix. It has come. We have to click here. Then it's free. So click here. Starting downloaded. Hopefully it will take some times. So here it has completed. Hopefully here the region has been installed and we will click here open. Here we have to sign in with the help of our username as well as password. So close here. Now we will check the Netflix install or not. Here the settings options, here apps, installed app, we will write Netflix. See, the Netflix apps has been installed here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.